Nah. What the wait for Ethan?
I don't know, like if I get like 30 kills but I have like 15 deaths, I'm not drinking 15 seconds.
Just take a little sips.
Dude, that dude, we would get drunk in like 3 games.
Well, I guess you gotta play good.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I mean, I don't plan on dying 50 times, but
I know somebody. Ugh.
they could be watching this right now.
I smell you, buddy. I smell
I
you.
know you're in there, Hunter.
I don't have my chat open, so if he's typing, then I don't know clue.
He's gonna join the party. Be like, all right, bitch, I heard you.
Dude, that's fucking dude. Why did my heart like start pumping as soon as like Alicia said that shit?
Shit, mine would too. Ah, this pee feels so good.
I used to travel the way. I'll be right back, sure. Ooh, I can't let go.
What the fuck? Check the group chat on Instagram.
Baby, I'm the fashion demon. What did Hunter say he was gonna do and then be back on?
I don't know.
So I know after he got hacked by Sombra, he just was like, I'll be
Yeah,
right
he
back,
just got
guys.
mad. No,
I mean,
remember he went to go. No, he got hacked by Sombra. Then he went to go play by himself because he said he wanted to get to silver by himself. And then
no, Andrew. He played a comp game with Sombra.
yeah. Oh, I
Got
thought
my
you meant
point.
in our game whenever he played with us.
That video describes how I feel towards you right now. At this current moment, at this very exact second. I could go to sleep right now, dude. I have not slept in like 12 hours
Fix your sleep schedule like
or
I did.
whatever.
It took like
Huh?
4 days to do it though.
I can do it like right now.
Go
I
to
can do it
bed at
tonight.
like 10, 11.
Don't
I
nigga
went to
get
bed
my
like at
mom?
midnight. No,
Shit.
I'm just trying to help you out because Parker fucking. It's not how you are, but Parker sleeps all fucking day.
Well, the
I
difference
just feel
between
like
me and Parker, I actually do shit.
no, I know. But I feel more